I found this morning was really interesting. The speakers are always very good at these events. As a HR manager, I always find that I get some practical ideas and things that I can implement and try easily without too much effort and strain on the team.
I thought this morning was very thought-provoking. I think it was great. The speakers were excellent. They just knew their subjects so well, and I actually got lots out of it. It was fantastic. I think, as I said, the speakers are very experienced and know their material, and I think a lot of leaders should take note of a lot of their information that they're sharing, and I think that would lead to a better productive team outcomes.